风起
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, 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 it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It is time for some great delicious fruits, juicy ones too here in Taiwan, especially the mango, 像芒果是盛产的时候啊。First of all, how do you say fruit in Hakka? 水果怎么说？
购字。
购字 Okay, that is a fruit. 夏季盛产的水果呢，有西瓜、芒果。Some of the summertime harvest of fruits include watermelon and mango.
熱田睇出嘅購字，
熱田睇出嘅購字，
有西瓜，
有西瓜，
反酸，
反酸。那秋季的时候盛产什么啊 Alice?
柿子跟柚子啊。
Oh, that's right. Persimmons and pomelo. Those are being harvested during autumn time. 这不怎么说呢？
秋天睇出嘅購字，
秋天睇出嘅購字，
有刺誒，
有刺誒，
有誒，
有誒。刺誒 is the 柿子 persimmon, and 有誒 is the pomelo. Let's learn all these fruits one more time. 西瓜，
西瓜，
西瓜。The mango, 芒果。
反酸，
反酸。The persimmon, 柿子。
刺誒，
刺誒。And then the pomelo, 柚子。
有誒，
有誒。And there you have it. It's all about fruits, 水果。
購字，
购字。And we'll see you next time here on Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.